Before explaining the implementation, let me run the program to show you what exactly needs to be done, just in case you are not aware of this problem. So we are supposed to implement this move method such that it takes these parameters which was already discussed earlier. And we call this move method from the main method. Like here we say move 2 disks from tower A to tower C using tower B, alright? And when we run this program, we get the exact sequence of steps that are supposed to be executed to complete this task. So as you can see, we first move disk 1 from A to B, then move disk 2 from A to C, and finally move disk 1 from B to C. Similarly, let's try to print the steps for 3 disks. So if you have understood the problem, pause the video here and implement it before moving on. So let's start implementing the move method. As you can see, we just have these 3 lines of code here, which we have already seen earlier in the animation. So what we are essentially doing is that we are just picking up the first n-1 disks and moving them from tower from to the intermediate tower using the to tower. Then we move the only disk, which is the nth disk, from tower from to tower 2. And then we recursively move that bunch of n-1 disks from the intermediate tower to the to tower or the destination tower using the from tower as an intermediate. Alright? Just close your eyes and visualize what's happening. It's quite straightforward. Let's try to run the program after writing the main method and calling the move method from the main method. And as you can see, we get a stack overflow error because we didn't put the breaking or the terminating condition for this recursive call. And what would be the breaking condition? Think about it. Well, the breaking condition is when we only have one disk to be moved, right? And in that case, what do we print? Well, we simply move disk 1 from the from tower to the destination tower, and that's it, right? That is the case we started with when we were showing the animation in the previous video, right? When we only had one disk to be moved from tower A to tower C. And now if you run the program, everything works fine. So if you look at the code, it's quite easy to implement the Tower of Hanoi puzzle using recursion. You just need to get used to it, alright?